living lives. Welcome to the video where we are all about living our lives at 40 years and above. Today, people, is another Dangote fast day. We are fasting today in a very special way. All right, so today I'm going to be talking to you about several effects of fasting. Now, it's going to be a long video if I should talk about all of them, so I'm decided to split the video into two. It's going to be a two-series video. So today we are going to do the part 1, next week we'll do the part 2. All right, so I have like 4 items here I want to discuss on the effect of fasting. I have autophagy, hormone optimization, production of ketones, and DNA reset. These are the things that you can benefit from fasting regularly. It is very, 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 very awesome. Like I told you guys before, I'm only trying to document my journey to wellness, weight loss, and fitness. And I want to encourage some of you, men and women of 40s and above, to actually do the same. Not to open a YouTube channel, but to just try and see how you can live your life too, how you can get well, get fit, and also elongate your life. Alright, so that is the essence of this channel. This channel is to assist men and women of 40s and above. Like myself, you can see how young I'm looking since I started eating healthy, exercising, and fasting. So if you truly want to live your life at the age of 40 years and above, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you subscribe, and also make sure that you turn on the bell notification. That way, you always be the first to know every time I release a video. Come on, living life. Come on, sweet people. Let's do this. Welcome back to the video. If you're new here, you're most welcome. My name is Ernest. I'm a health and fitness enthusiast, and I encourage you to consider subscribing so that you don't miss any of these my awesome videos, especially when you're 40 and above, because this video is specially designed for you to get your groove back, to live long, and to live a healthy life. And for the OGs, welcome back for tuning in. Now, without any further ado, I'd like to go straight to the business of the day. So we start by autophagy. Permit me to read from my book. I actually had to put it down because I want this to be very, very precise and straight to the point. I don't want to miss any vital point because this is very, very, very important. This is going to help us to live our life. Alright, but before I continue, I'd like to explain the title of this video, why I call it Dangote Fast Day. I picked the Dangote Fast Day from an interview I read online where Dangote was talking about how he fasts at least once every week to detox his system, to rejuvenate himself, and to elongate his life. And I'm like, a whole Dangote fasting when he can afford all the food in the world, whatever kind of food. He can fly to any country and come back and have whatever he wants. Alright, so I said, if Dangote can fast for 24 hours, who am I? I also have to try this. And when I started doing it, it was awesome. I began to lose weight, I began to feel stronger, all the inflammation in my body, joint pain, headache, everything was disappearing. So I'm like, I have to spread this good news. I want you that have been having these issues to get your groove back, get your life back, be a better lover, because it's awesome, my brother. You need to try it. So that is why I called it Dangote Fast, because he is the initiator. I learned it from him, and that is why we are here today. Now, let's jump right in. Okay, now autophagy. What is autophagy? Autophagy is an important process for cell and tissue rejuvenation. It is like a vacuum cleaning going through your body. It's like a vacuum cleaning going through your body. That is autophagy. Taking away dead cells and redundant tissues. Come on, my people. Come on, my people. You can imagine when you have a place where nobody cleans it. You don't bother cleaning your house, you don't bother cleaning your kitchen, you don't clean your fridge. What will it look like after a while? That is how it is with our body. When we keep eating, we eat ice cream, we drink alcohol, juice, bread, oil, anything, smoke, and we keep taking all these things in. We keep taking them in, and nobody cleans it. The system becomes so dirty and filthy that with time they begin to degenerate to cancer, stroke, heart attack, diseases all everywhere. And these things accumulate over time. That is why at 40 years, a very crucial time to take care of your life, but that's when your life begins. Either your life begins to grow or your life begins to go down. So this is what autophagy does. When you stop eating, when you stop bringing all those things, your body will have the time, the energy to start cleaning up these things. The beauty is that it converts these things to energy. It recycles them to something better. Some of them, it takes them away completely and new ones are replaced. Right? For a better function, for a better life and a healthier you. That is what autophagy does. And how can you achieve it? Is by fasting, people. Is by not eating. But when you keep eating, your body will not have the time to do this. If you keep trying to digest and take away the toxins you are feeding your body, it won't have time to cleanse. So, but when you don't eat, the best form of cleansing is fasting. When you don't eat, your body clears off the one that you have eaten before. This is very simple, people. Now, hormone optimization. Hormones are chemicals in our system that respond to external and internal stimulus. Anything that affects us, either from the inside or from the outside, our body generates or secretes hormone that responds to them. Alright? If it's where it's supposed to stabilize, it stabilizes it. Whatever the body needs at that time, it was the hormone that actually goes to do the job. So if your hormone is optimized, your body will respond adequately to stimulus. And fasting encourages your hormone. It makes your hormone to be optimized. My book says fasting takes center stage in its role in improving hunger metabolism, blood sugar affecting hormones. Now, the hormones that are responsible for hunger and metabolism, fasting takes center stage in improving those hormones. Alright? And if you think fasting would make you more hungry, think again. Intermittent fasting has been shown to positively affect the hunger hormone ghrelin, which can directly improve brain cells. So your brain is improved when you fast because your brain is not being saddled with the function of trying to digest toxins. Rather, it is saddled with the function of cleansing, which it is happy to do because those things have been giving it a lot of problem. When your body is trying to digest at all time, the depth on it is there disturbing it and it's still trying to digest. But when you don't put more food into your system, your body has the time to cleanse whatever debris that has been accumulated in your system. Yes, it is okay to work out while fasting because the key to weight loss and muscle gain is not just calories and exercise, but hormone optimization. If you want to gain muscles, if you want to lose weight, not just about exercising and eating less, your hormone which actually does the work to trigger the weight loss process, to start burning the fat, like the insulin. Now, that when it's not there, your body begins to burn fat to produce ketones. So it is the hormone that actually responsible to do the job. So if these hormones are not optimized, even when you exercise and when you don't eat, you won't lose fat and you won't build more muscles. You won't look as young as I'm looking now. So fasting is what helps you to achieve that. Alright? Then I say combining the two, that is fasting and exercise, raises growth hormone and makes you more insulin sensitive, which is the key to staying youthful and lean. Do you understand? If you want to stay youthful and lean, you need to fast so that you have what they call insulin sensitivity. I will put the link in the description below for my videos on insulin sensitivity. Once you have insulin, you won't burn fat, and when you eat all the time, you always have your body releasing insulin because you need to take whatever excess blood sugar in your body to your cells. And when you are not sensitive, that will not happen. When you are insulin resistant, it will not happen because your cell will be rejecting the insulin and it will not be able to assimilate anything. Alright, so but when you fast, all these things are optimized. Your body is able to assimilate your nutrients from the food you eat through what? Insulin. Alright, so now the next one is ketone production. What is ketone? Ketone is another form of energy apart from glucose. Alright, because normally when you eat a lot of carbohydrate, you have glucose in your blood sugar, and that's what your body burns to produce energy. But when your body burns fat, it produces what? Ketones. Ketone is another level of energy which is very fantastic for your brain and your organs. is like a 5G network compared to a 2 or 3G network. The ketones is the 5G network, while glucose is the 2G network. So when you keep on accessing the 5G network on your system, you can imagine how functional, how robust your system will be. And how can you get that? Is by fasting. Now, let me read. The process of burning fat releases chemicals called ketones. Ketogenic diet can increase ketones fourfold, whereas fasting has been shown to increase ketones by up to 20 folds. I also put the link in the description on my ketogenic diet video. Look at what he's saying, that ketogenic diet can improve your ketones like 4 times, but fasting does that same thing for 20 folds. Ketogenic diet is awesome, but fasting is fantastic. Alright? Now, as a result, fasting compared to a ketogenic diet may have a stronger and more beneficial effect on your overall health. Fasting is awesome, people. Fasting is something that you must do. You must not do without. It's awesome. Now we'll move to the next one, DNA reset. Now, according to a study done by USC scientists at the University of California, fasting for 3 days can have a significant improvement in your body. A 6-month study done on both mice and humans who are currently going through chemotherapy noticed a significant improvement in their health as the white blood cells and other toxins in the body were flushed out over the course of the fast. Do you understand? When you fast, your body flushes out a lot of toxins because those toxins are not good for you. And when you keep eating, your body will not have the time to flush them. But when you stop, the body flushes them out. I say, when you fast, the system tries to save energy. And one of the things it can do to save energy is to recycle a lot of the immune cells that are not needed, especially those that may be damaged. So the white blood cell goes down with prolonged fasting. Then when you feed, the blood cells come back. See, it's another way of even optimizing your immune system, making your immune system very, very strong. Your antibody will be working at its peak and you will never get sick. Fasting does that for you. When you are fasting, your body goes down and even convert your white blood cell, the one that are damaged, the one that are not good, the one that has been there for a long time. Because when you recycle your white blood cell, fresh ones come on board and are stronger and more ready to fight your diseases. That is why you see men of God, they don't fall sick. Yes, the grace of God is there actually, but also the fasting also makes it possible because you don't wait for God to do everything for us. When you fast, your white blood cells are recycled, fresh ones are produced, and these things will fight diseases better and you will not fall sick. Alright, so my people, that is it for today. You know, I encourage us to fast. Fasting does all these things and more. Next week I'm going to be showing you other effects of fasting. I still have like 3 or 4 of them that are very, 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 very important. All right, so in the next few hours I'm going to be breaking my fast, and it's always an exciting moment for me. So today I'm going to be going more traditional in breaking my fast. I want you to stick around and see how I break my fast. And if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Do you want to be missing this kind of awesome things, this kind of things that will make you stay young, stay alive, and stay healthy and live long? Come on, people, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button if you enjoyed this video so far, and also share it with your friends so that you can encourage me. It helps me a lot so that I'll be able to be doing this kind of video every time. All right, I upload 2 times a week. I upload on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, and you don't want to miss it. It's a very, very, very important that you become part of living lives at 40. Even when you're not up to 40, I encourage you to subscribe so that you'll be able to get in this, so that by the time you get there, you're already used to it and you'll be able to live your life to the fullest. So don't go anywhere, stick around and watch me break my fast. It's Dangote Fast Day, people, and it's the most exciting day of the week for me. Hello living lifers, we've come to the end of our Dangote Fast Day. If you make it up to this point, I appreciate you. Give the video a like, also subscribe because it helps me a lot. It enables me to bring this kind of awesome content your way every other week. What I have here is tiger nut flour, tiger nut juice, and some cocoyam soup with some beef. Okay, so without any further ado, I would like to do justice to this delicious meal here, very nutritious indeed. The tiger nut flour is gluten free, and the tiger nut juice is also gluten free with a lot of resistant starch, which is very good for my guts. Like I always tell you guys, I love you and I want you to prosper, and you cannot prosper when you are sick or when you are dead. You can only prosper, pursue your career, enjoy your love life, and do your business when you are alive and well. With that said, keep living your life. Ciao.